Good evening. My name is Miguel Ángel Muñoz González. I live with my family, with sister and my father. I like football. I like movie pictures. I like swimming. I'm from Mosquera, and I study zootechnic. Description of my visit to Medellin. I was to tell you about the trip I made to Medellin, Colombia, in few years ago. It was a wonderful experience. The people are very kind and this place. In Medellin, I was 8 days. I went with my family. The trip cost us 2 million per person. The most place was the botanical garden of Medellin. Description of the weather. Altitude on 1,500 meters above sea level. Temperature between 60 and 28 throughout the years. The humidity is high. Your recommendation. My recommendation to visit Medellin with comfort clothes to visit the place. Bryce Sucre and camera to take incredible